Well, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another new lake episode fishing with DYangBass. I've never been on this lake, the lake that I found, and today is gonna be a free fall. There's a lot of stuff going on. I hear frogs, I hear bluegills popping. I saw some bluegills with chartreuse tails, so it's not a very big lake, as you can see. That's the end of it right there. But it is a deep lake, 30 feet of water. It's shallow in some areas and deep in some areas. So we're definitely gonna do some top water this morning, and then we're gonna do some offshore stuff. So I'll talk to you guys more once we get ready. Stay tuned. All right, so first things first. What did I do with my phone? I know it fell here somewhere. Oh, there it is. So right off the bat, guys, right off the bat, it's shallow. It's all sand out here too, sand muck. So we are gonna throw the frog for a little bit first. I haven't had a frog explosion in a while, right? I see a few isolated areas. The water is pretty clear, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty darn clear. So we're gonna go frogging a little bit. It's thin as heck over here. Sheesh. Oh, that's a big old bluegill. Holy cow, you're massive, dude. Okay. Oh, dude. Got him. I got something. Oh, it's a pike. Wow, skinny pike. Look at that. Dude, you're heavy. Holy smoke. Yep. Dude, you're heavy as heck, dude. What the heck? Yep, and you wrap yourself around the damn thing. Go around. Oh, shit. There we go. Dude, you are thick as heck, man. You are really thick. Jeez. There you go, guys. First fish. A nice slithery pike blowing up on a horny toad. Jeez. Dude, like bent my spring, bro. Ain't even nothing left on here. What the heck? I don't know, they're in this stuff. They're dead. Dry. The covers are nice. It's not too bad. But these are some dead weeds, man. Like dead stuff. Oh, big old drop. Jeez. Big drop. Which is nice. Got a few bass in there too. Whoa, big drop. Cut one piece off. Put on my 3/4 ounce football jig. Yeah. Oh, dude, I just had a fish. What the hell? Was that carp? Bro, I just had a fish. Please no pike. Oh, no pike. Got him. Not a bacon, but... Oh, it's a pike, damn it. Oh, it was a pike. Dang it. It wasn't big, but it was a fish. Freaking pike. Man, there's a lot of these. Good old pike, gotta love it. football jig. A lot of freaking pike, man. Who knew pike love football jig this much? So far, we have an idea of what the lake is kind of looking like. A lot of dead vegetation, sand to muck, and then so far all the hits has happened offshore in like 15 to 17 feet of water, which makes sense. Summer days, it's getting hot out, you know. That's what we're picking up, and hopefully that's the case around here. Wow, there's tons of fish right here. What the heck? Offshore definitely looks a lot better than shallow, that's for sure. Let's see if we get some up right here. These are the dog days of summer, guys. Dog days of summer. One day I'll get live scope. One day. I just can't talk myself into getting 3-4 grand of setup and maybe not even use it. Got him. It's a nice fish. Oh, freaking pike. Come on, man. Man, dude. These dang things. They're everywhere. I think there was this much pike in here. And they're not even big either. Like, I like the big ones, you know? That's a pike, dude. Yep. Oh my gosh, man. Oh, seriously, bro. Oh, jeez, and it pops off. Pike City for days, guys. For days, dude. I mean, they're fun. Don't get me wrong. They're super fun to hook set and fight, but the mission is to catch a bass, man. That's like the 5th pike already. Probably not even gonna show you guys all of them. I don't know, man. I sound ungrateful right now, but you guys know what I mean. Whoa, dude. Freaking pike came out of nowhere. Wow, actually had a bass on. I think I found him. The hook set was trash though. Big, big, big. That's a big bass. Oh my gosh. Big bass, big bass. Big bass, big bass. Oh my gosh, that thing's huge. 3-pounder, 3-pounder. Yes. Dude, that thing's huge. Bro. Oh my gosh. They do have bass in here. Look at that, guys. That's a tall freaking fish. Put it in the well real quick. Oh my gosh. They do have bass in here. Oh my gosh. They do have bass in here. Got him. It's a bass. It's a nice bass. Yep, it's a nice bass. I think it's a bass. Nope, it's a freaking pike. Oh gosh. Just a pike. Yep, these damn things all day long. Shake it off. Come on, shake it off. After like 30 of them, bro.
Really?
Hell yeah, dude. All day, man. Just shake it off, dude. Get my jig back. Release on it. Nice fish. Going back. 3-pounder. A little skinnier, but beautiful fish. Go back into the depths here. 10 feet, so should be good. Oh yeah, she's ready. Yeah. No worries. It's all good. No worries. Kid, I got one. Yep. You brought me good luck. Relax.
What kind is it?
Catch. It's a pike.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. I don't think I'm ever gonna come back to this lake unless I feel like donating my lures by the end of the year. But woo, that was it was fun. Like I said, I'm not complaining that I'm catching them. I'm just like, man, I need some bass, you know. And it was Pike City 24/7. Like almost every other cast was pike. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna wrap it up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys can't see my face, but it's okay. I'll see you guys very, very soon once again. On to the next lake. Hopefully it's a good one. I'll catch some good bass for you guys. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys around. Peace.